Assalamualaikum, my dear students, and good morning to you all. I hope all are fine by the grace of Almighty. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Now, welcome back to our today's online class. I, Mariam Sultana, teacher of Malistic Preparatory KG School, Sector 7, Class 2. Now, we are at the end of this year. Already you have completed your lesson because your exam is near and this is your final term exam. You have to do the hard work. So today I am asking the question answer from your previous topics. Now get ready for giving the answer. Now at first I am asking the question, when do we use and? Who can say? Yes, we use and to combine similar ideas. Okay, now the next question, when do we use but? Yes, we use but to show difference or opposite ideas. Okay, now I am asking the definition. Who can say the definition of opposite word? Yes, a opposite word is a word that has the opposite meaning of another word. Excellent. Now I am asking the question answer. Look, the first question, who is the girl? Yes, Kanis is the girl. Okay. Now the question number 2. What is the moral of this story? Golden Goose? Yes, the moral of the story, the golden goose is grabs all, lose all. Now dear students, get ready for our today's class. Today I am going to discuss about your grammatical side of final term exam. Now pay attention here. What I am showing in the slide. You will practice this one at home. Okay, now let's see our today's topic. Now, this is your grammatical items for your final term exam. Which topics you will practice at home? I am telling now. And beside the topic's name, I am also telling here your lecture number, because you can find out from this class, from your recorded class. Now number 1. Number 1, naming words. So you can find from lecture 11. Then number 2, uses of there is and there are. So you will follow here lecture 15. Then number 3, uses of I am. So you will watch the recorded class 21. Then number 4, one or more than one. Here lecture 23. Number 5, pronoun. It is you will get from lecture 25. Then number 6, these, that, these and those. So you will follow lecture 27. Now number 7, am, is, are. Here lecture 28. Then number 8, punctuation, lecture 30. Now dear students, if you have any problem, you will watch the recorded class again. And here I have given the lecture number because you can find it easily. I am showing here today's topic. So here today's topic, grammatical items, item, review on all the topics, discussion and practice exercises. Now you take out your CW copy, you write today's date and CW number. Now number 1, topic, naming words. Now I am discussing here again what is naming word. Yes, already you have learned the definition of naming words. Again I am telling this one to recall you. Names of people, places, animals and things are called naming words. Now the example, my name is Rahul and I live in Dhaka. So here you remember that place's name and person's name, first letter should be capital letter because they are special. So okay, so you remember this one. Now the next example, I have a cat. So here cat is a naming word because cat is a animal's name. But cat is not special, it is common. For that here C here is a small letter. Now the number 4, this is my table. Here all table is a naming word because this is thing's name. So table thing's name and T is a small letter because this is common, not special. Now here Rahul, Dhaka, cat and table naming word. Now the next topic, uses of there is and there are. So can you say when we use there is and there are? Yes. When we ask the question how many, so that time we give the answer by using there is and there are. Now here I am telling again, there is, it means singular. There is we will use with singular noun. Okay. So example I have given here, there is a book on the desk. So here a book. This is naming word. Naming word means noun. So here a book means one book. For that we'll use here there is. And I told there is means singular. So we'll use there is with singular noun. Now here I am showing the picture. We can see one book on the table. Okay. So we are using here there is. Now the next one, the next example, we can see a ball under the table. So here how many ball? Only one ball. So it will be there is. Where is the ball? Yes, the ball is under the table. So okay, and it will be where there is a ball under the table. Now I am telling here about there are. So there are means plural. We use there are with plural noun. Now the example I am showing here, there are 2 books on the table. Look the picture, we can see 2 books on the table. So it will be there are, because there are, it means we will use there are with plural noun. Now the next example, there are many balls in the picture. So here many balls we can see. So we are using here there are. So remember that we use there is with singular noun and we use there are with plural noun. Now the next topic, I am. So I am means a speaker or writer use I to refer to himself or herself. I is a pronoun. Okay, yes, we use I when I will tell about myself. Remember this one, I it means belongs to me. Now example I am telling here, my name is Raju. So my name is now Raju. So I am telling about myself, I am in class 2. For that I am using here I am. Now the next topic, one or more than one. Here also already you have known one means singular and more than one means plural. Again I am telling here, naming words can talk about one person or thing like girl, hand, cat, box. So here these are singular. One girl, one hand, cat and box. Naming words can also talk about more than one person or thing of the same kind like girls, hands, cats, boxes. When it will be more than one, we will call it plural, and when it will be one thing, we will say that this is singular. Now I am telling when we will use as and when we will use es. When we will make the plural things, that time we will use s or es. Look, here is given the clue. All of you listen carefully. If a word ends in s, sh, ch, x or z, we have to add es to make it plural. Like bus, last letter is s, so we will add here what? Es, it will be buses. Now the next word branch, the last letter ch. So the rules is what? If we see the last letter ch, we will add es for making it plural. So branch, it will be branches. Yes. Then the next example, box, last letter is x. So we will add here es for making it plural, boxes. Then bus, here also last letter z. So we will use what? Es, budgets. Then another word, brush. Brush, last letter sh. Okay, so it will be what? Yes, we will add here es for making it plural, because I told here, if we see the last letter s, sh, ch, x or z, we will add es for making it plural. And for almost other nouns, we have to add s. Now, more to know. So you have to know another rules for making it plural. If a noun ends with either f or ap, change these letters to a v and add es. Shelf, last letter is f. So you have to change f and write here ves. You add ves for making it plural, shelves. Like this, knife, last letter fe. So you change this fe and you add ves for making it plural, knives. Nowadays students, you have to follow these rules for making the plural. Now the another one, if a noun ends with a consonant plus a y, then change the y to an I and add es. Look the example, berry. So actually here, if you see the last letter y and before last letter, if you see the consonant letter, so you will change y and you will add here ies. Look here, y last letter and before we can see r, berry. Berry last letter y, but before y you can see r is a consonant letter. So you change y and here you write ies, berries. Like that, party, parties. But boy, boy last letter is y, but before we can see o is a vowel letter. So but here only we will add s for making it plural. So it will be boy, boys. Like toy, toys. Now let's learn something different. Okay, it is different, no rules. You have to remember this one. Goose is a singular, geese are plural. Then food singular, feet plural. Child singular, children plural. Man singular, men, men, this it means many. It means plural. Now the last word, tooth singular and teeth many. Okay, now the next topic, pronoun. Pronoun, already you have learned the definition. Again I am telling you one. Write the definition of pronoun with some examples. Look, pronouns are words which replace nouns in a sentence. Look, I have given here examples. I, we, he, she, it, they are called pronoun. We use these words instead of nouns. Now I am showing the examples. Okay, some examples of pronoun. So noun, it means name, own name. Pronoun, when I will tell about myself, own name, that time I will use here I. Look the example, my name is Jara. So instead of Jara, I am using here I, because my name is Jara, so I will use here I. I am a singer. Now the next example, girl's name. That time we'll use what? Yes, she. Now the example, Rosa is my sister. She lives here. Now number 3, boy's name. Yes, instead of boy's name, we will use here he. Now the example, Raju is playing. So he loves to me because Raju is a boy. Then number 4, I plus another person. Okay, so we'll use I and plus another person. We'll use here we. We is a plural. So when we'll use we, you have to include here. Okay, so I also will be here. For that time we can use we. Now the example, I, Roja and Raju. Here 3 persons. Okay, and I also there. For that we are using here we. We enjoyed. Now number 5, others. I am not there. Okay, I will be not present. Look here, that time we will use here they. Now the example, Roja, Raju. So here 2 persons, but I am not present there. Okay, so Roja and Raju went there. So replace of Roja and Raju, I am using here they. Okay, so remember this one, my dear students. Now the last one, animals, things and place. Replace that we will use here it. Look the example, the pen is red. So replace of the pen we will use here it. It is mine. Now the another topic, these, that, these and those. Now dear students, it is very easy topic. So look, we use this when the object is near of us and 1 is number. Okay, and then we use these when the objects are near and more than 1 in number. So THIS, this means singular, and THEAC, this means plural. Okay, but the similar things is what? The object is near of us. That time we will use these and these. Now the another one, we use that when the object is far of us and 1 in number. We use those when the objects are far and more than 1 in number. Okay, so that and those. The similar things here, the object will be far of us. And the different things, we will use that for singular and those for plural. Now I am showing the example here. The man is touching the apple and telling, I like this apple. So it is near. So for that I am using here this, and this is singular. Now the next picture, we can see here 3 apples, and here the man is touching also these apples and telling, I like these apples. Okay, so this is near, but this is plural. For that it will be these, THEAC. So I like this apple. Now the next picture, we can see the man is telling, I like that apple, because the man is not touching this apple. It is far from this man. So for that the man is telling here, I like that apple. Then the last picture, we can see many apples. So here it will be what? I like those apples, because those apples are far from this man. And here is, we can see many apples. Okay, now dear students, now let's see the next topic. Is, am, are. These are called verb. So is, am and are simple present form of the verb to be. They are used to describe the state, feelings or condition that something or someone is in. Now I am showing here example, pronoun I will use what? Which verb? Am. But he, she, it, that, this will use here is. So we will use with singular pronoun, and are we will use for plural pronoun. Look here, here is given the example. We, you, they, those, these. These are plural pronouns. So here we will use are. feedback. So today you have learned many things. Okay, now I am asking the question answer from this side. Number 1, I have many what? Toy or toys has given many. So it will be what? Toy? No, toys. Very good. Now the next example. She dash my sister. So with she we will use what? She is a singular. Yes, what will be here? Is or are? Yes, is. So she is my sister. Now the number 3. Number 3 dash are my shoes. Here is given are and shoes. So it means plural. So it will be that or those. Yes, those. Those are my shoes. Your diary writing. So you will revise all the items from grammatical items. Students, you entered the class. Okay, so you will practice this one. Today you have got the clear concept about the grammatical side of final term exam. So you will practice this one at home. And if you face any problem, and then you will watch the recorded class. And you can call your subject teacher. Now, continue study. I hope you will do the good result in final term exam. Today that's all from my side. I want to say here, Allah Hafiz.